sir, we make a counter machine. That the counter machine it has IS sensors and also addition, subtractions, and also counters, and also reset buttons. The IS sensors has detecting of objects, adults, of human beings, etc. The suppose each floors have IS sensors, and exit points also have IS sensor, and floors have like addition of increment, and exit points are decrement or like subtraction. So when the object when it goes to each floors, they will be added, they will be counting for each one, and also have side of it they have addition for it, total of how many members are went, and the exit point has how many objects are went out, or else human beings like peoples. Thank you so much, sir. We make